would either be. So, good afternoon, everybody. This is NCRT line to line questions, and let's start with the question. So, here, mean life of radioactive sample is this is the total life divided by the total number of molecules. So, first is also correct, and if you solve this, N naught will get cancelled out. Second is also correct. So, both are correct over here. So, third option will be correct. And if we reduce this expression, then it will reduce to 1 by lambda. Next is age of universe is about 15 billion years. First is correct. Next is half life of this is itna. What is activity of 1 gram sample of uranium this? So activity is lambda into n. Lambda is 0.693 by t half, and the number of nuclei will be 1 divided by 238. These are the number of moles multiplied by 6.023 into 10 is to power 23. So if you are going to solve this equation, then it will be about after solving 1.23 into 10 is to power 4 becquerel. First will be correct over here. Next is tritium has a half-life of this. What fraction of a sample of tritium will remain undecayed after 25 years? So here we use the formula that number of active nuclei is equal to n naught by 2 raised to power n, where n is equals to t by t half. So by solving this, n will come out to be 2. So number of active nuclei will be n naught by 4. So the fraction is nt by n naught, which is equal to 1 by 4. So first one will be correct over here. Next is decay of 238 to this is an example of. So obviously it's an example of alpha decay, because here atomic number decreases by 2 and mass number by 4. So clearly it's an example of alpha decay. Next is in alpha decay, mass number changes by 4. So second is correct over here. Next is alpha decay results in. So obviously first is correct. Next is spontaneous decay is possible only when obviously total mass is less than reactant as per the mass energy equivalence. First is correct.